So we're driving through Texas and we are about to go through El Paso. I think we're pretty close to El Paso, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we're close to El Paso. And then we're gonna go through New Mexico and then Arizona. I'm starting off the vlog in Arizona and we are right near the customer where we're gonna pick up and then deliver to California.
Our truck just parted.
Our truck just parted. But we are stopping because there's some beautiful mountains right here and we're gonna take some pictures. Yeah, look at those crazy mountains. So insane. There's our truck. So we're climbing up this little mountain and it's hot. Feels like we're in an oven right now. So we just got our load. It's hay. Well, my hair is doing something weird. We got some hay. Hey! But now we're gonna leave and we're gonna drive to California. We're going to rent a car from the Ontario airport, so then we have access to a car while we're in Los Angeles, so we can see some friends and do everything we need to do. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm really excited to explore Laguna Beach a little bit more because every time we've gone, it's always been like super quick and haven't really been able to explore. So I'm excited to see Laguna Beach and see some friends and yeah.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
So we're shutting down for the night. We just went through San Diego. Well, we didn't get to see San Diego, but we went right in that area. And basically we're stopping at a rest stop. So we're gonna stay here for the night. We're probably gonna cook some dinner and just relax, and then we have to deliver our load tomorrow. So we made it to Laguna Beach. We just had brunch and now we're just walking the beach waiting for our mail service?
Mail service.
Mail service to open up. I think they open up at 10.
It's like a P.O. box.
Yeah, basically like a P.O. box. So we're just walking the beach and it's so beautiful. Totally forgot how much I love Laguna Beach. So we just got our mail. We just went for one piece of mail, but we just took everything. And we also got a coffee. And now we're gonna go find some hiking. We found a few trails that we wanna do that look pretty cool. But I have to pee, so we had to find a bathroom. But yeah. So we were gonna go hiking in Laguna Beach, but we just realized that we're kind of short on time to be able to get to our storage center and get everything that we need from there. So we're probably going to hike somewhere in Hollywood or maybe Pasadena. I don't know, we'll see, but we're definitely gonna hike today. I wanna grab In-N-Out at some point today because I have been craving In-N-Out.
Been a while.
I know. Okay, we're at our storage unit. Let's see what we have. honestly like can't remember. I'll just put the other here.
Oh yeah.
Oh jeez. Dang it. Alright. I'm gonna go through the stuff, grab some clothes, other things we need. Alright, we grabbed things we needed. We have Christian's suitcase, my suitcase. I just grabbed some clothes and bathing suits. So we got our food, we got animal fry, fries, animal style. And then we got grilled cheeses that are animal style, so it has no meat. So we're doing Trail Canyon, Trail Canyon Falls. I think that's what it's called, in Tujunga. And I do not have hiking clothes with me, so I'm just wearing jean shorts. But yeah, we just wanted to do a little hike before dinner and everything. So we're gonna hike this. There's supposed to be a really cool waterfall, and it's absolutely beautiful out right now.